What's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some of my favorite creams and butters, and I have them separated in two different categories, and one is for definition and one is for like more moisture. And I'm shocked that I have so many because I feel like I use creams less than anything else. But then I'm showing you more creams than I showed you of anything else, I think. So, strange. Anyway, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so one of my favorite creams is the Texture ID Styling Cream, which looks like this. Guys, this is the old packaging. Texture ID has repackaged, and I'm not sure if they changed the ingredients or not. So now their products are in this darker packaging, bottled form and stuff like that. So this is the one that I'm talking about. You can barely see it because of the lighting, but it's this salmon and light bluish color packaging. I think last time I went on Sally Beauty, they don't have this small one anymore, but they have the jumbo one for like $4 or something like that. So if you like this, you might want to jump on that jumbo one before, you know, they're out of it. But anyway, I love this styling cream. It's a different consistency, but I really like it. And I like this under hard holding gels. I feel like because it's a styling cream, it already starts to give your hair a little bit of hold and stuff like that. Not major hold or anything, but it has something in it that helps hold it. So when you apply the gel to it, you get a really good wash and go, and you get a moisturized wash and go because it's thick, but you also get definition. So I really like using this under like wet line and eco and stuff like that, because it's thick enough to soften those holds for me, but still have my hair defined, still kind of big enough where it grows and it gets bigger the way that I like it without losing the definition. So I really like this for that. I have used it for twist outs and it works well for that as well, but I like to really use this under harder holding gels. Okay, so this is going to go more in the moisture category under harder holding gels. Another one that's in that same category is the Coconut Mango Hair Butter from Kinky Tresses. Remember I talked about Kinky Tresses. They have thicker products as well. I hate to show y'all this because it got a little hair in it. But anyway, it's almost gone. It's down to here. This is a really thick, it's a nice thick butter as well. And it has so much moisture in it that I feel like it works better under a gel. So when I use this in the winter time, like on my channel, I think I used it for a slick back style for some moisture because it was colder. This will be good under, you know, harder holding gels as well because of the moisture that you get. But I feel like because it has so much moisture and stuff in it, for me, it's not as good for me as far as twist outs and stuff. And then I also feel like it's a little bit heavy. So when I use just this, you know, for twist outs, I feel like it's a little bit heavier for me. So I prefer to use it as a moisturizer if my hair just is dry, needs some moisture, and then under gels and things like that. So yeah, nice one. Another one that I like and I've talked about before is the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. This has been in my arsenal from day one. This is another one that I would put under harder holding gels, especially back in the past. I was using this under eco and stuff like that. It smells really good, but it also, you know, you can use it for twist outs by itself as well. But again, because it's so moisturizing, I don't feel like it holds as well. I feel like you'll get a fluffier twist out. It may start to frizz out just a little bit just because it has so much moisture in it to it, and not enough hold for the twist outs and stuff. So I like to use this again under as a moisturizer, just to moisturize my hair, or, you know, if I'm going to slick it back in a puff or a ponytail or something like that, but then also under harder holding gels. So this is a really nice one. You can find this anywhere. Kinky tresses, I think you can find this like on Amazon. It may be in some stores, I'm not sure, but you can definitely find it on her website as well. And then the Texture ID, this was a Sally Beauty brand, so if you have a Sally's in your area, you may be able to find it there. If not, I don't know, you might try Amazon, but be careful. I don't know, because they changed up. Okay, last but not least in the moisture category is the Camille Rose Curl Laid Moisture Butter. I really like this as well. I started using this back in the day too, and this was one, oh, it smells good, and it's thick too. This is one that I like to put under my harder holding gels too. So back in the day when my hair was a little bit shorter, I used to do puffs, you know, high puffs and low puffs and stuff like that. So I would always put this on before I put that Eco on to slick my hair back, because you know Eco can be kind of hard and crunchy. At least back in the day it was the gel to go to, and it was hard and crunchy, right? So I would put this on underneath it to kind of soften it, so the Eco still worked to slick my hair back, but my hair didn't feel just dry and brittle, you know, from the Eco, because I had this underneath it, and when I took it down, my hair still had some moisture and things like that. So I really like it for that. It smells really good. I think I did try it for a twist out, but again, I think I liked it best as a moisturizing butter under harder holding gel. So this is another good one. So if you're looking for a butter like to use like that, these are some good ones. If you're looking more for creams and butters for twist outs, braid outs that's going to have some hold, then let's talk about those. Okay, so one of the ones that I like, one of my favorites for twist outs, is the Nature's Little Secret Papaya Twist and Style Cream. This is fairly new. When she came out with this line, I tried this for a twist out and got really good definition. My hair was moisturized, so I really enjoyed this. I was pleasantly surprised by the hold and the definition that I got with this product. So this is good if you're looking for one that's going to really give you that and let your twist outs last for days. Then you might try the Nature's Little Secret Papaya Twist and Style Cream. Really good. You will have to order it. I do have a discount code. I'll put it here, and I'll also link it in the description box. But yes, that's a good one. Another one that I like is the Camille Rose Aloe Whipped Butter Gel. So being a butter gel is going to tell you that it's going to have some hold for you, right? But it also has the moisture that you're looking for. So this is another one that's really good. It is pretty thick too, but it's creamy. It smells good. All Camille Rose products smell good, and all of them to me are really moisturizing. So if you're looking for something that's really moisturizing but that's going to give you hold as well, that you can find on the ground, this might be one that you want to pick up. Another one from Camille Rose is fairly new. It is the Guava Slipped Whip Souffle Styler. I tried this one out when she first came out with it, and I liked it too. I was pleasantly surprised. It is a lighter weight consistency, more whipped like, as she said. So you're kind of like, is this gonna give you what it needs? It does. It definitely defines the hair. I will say to be careful with it so you don't use too much, because you think it's light, you use too much and then you get, you know, a coated feeling or something like that. So don't do that. But it definitely does define the hair, gives you, you know, the longevity and the moisture that you're looking for. Again, you can find this one on the ground. So yeah, I don't think you can go wrong with Camille Rose. Another one that people don't talk about too much is Obia Naturals Twist Whipped Butter. This one is really good too. It's slept on. You don't hear a lot of people talk about Obia because, again, you have to order her products. You used to be able to find it in Sally Beauty, but not any longer, at least not here in Indiana. It is a light whipped consistency as well. The scent is not as good as the other scents. I mean, it's just regular, but her stuff is vegan. They're pH balanced and they're all natural ingredients, but this works really well too. I did a twist out with this, I think it was the beginning of 2024 maybe. I'll try to link the video. I'll try to link videos to most of these that if I have them on hand, so you can see it. I'll try to link it in the cards. But I got a really good twist out with this. I used to use this primarily under the curling custard, and not so much as a twist out, but that particular day I said I'm going to use this for a twist out, and it worked really well for a twist out. So yeah, another one that will moisturize the hair and also give you definition is Obia Naturals Twist Whipped Butter. So if you're wanting to try something different, again, these are Black women owned brands. So if that means anything to you, you got some to choose from, right? Another one that is slept on, not talked about a lot, is Anasi. And this is the Rock Your Curls Curl Enhancing Cream. You don't hear about it a lot, because you have to order. Well, no, I think you can find these on Amazon too, but be careful because you don't know who's selling it, right? You got to pay attention to who's selling it. But I think she does have some of her products on Amazon. This smells good, but her products are a little bit more expensive. So the time to pick up her products would have been around Black Friday. She was having 35–40% off her products. So this one is good. And I had a small jar of it, used it up, had repurchased it, and I've already, you know, gotten into this one too, so I need to use it some more. But yeah, it's good. I like it. Like I said, you don't hear a lot of people talking about it, so, but she's Black woman owned, so you can try it out. And then last but not least, for the ones that's going to give you, you know, the hold and things like that for your twist outs, is the Trelux Curl Supreme 4-in-1 Hydrating Cream. This is really good too. This is one that I would use under harder holding gels. This is one that I would use to moisturize as well, but this one also is good for twist outs to actually define the hair too. And it's pretty thick as well. Has a nice scent to it, and definitely packs a lot of moisture. It is a 4-in-1 cream, so it is supposed to hydrate, strengthen, protect, and style your hair. Those are the 4 things I guess it's supposed to do, but you can read up on it. It's a really good one, and you don't hear a lot of people talking about you know, Trelux 4-in-1 cream either. I used to hear people talk about it more, but not so much anymore. But it's a good cream. Again, if you're someone who has dry hair and you need a nice moisturizing cream that works, this one may be one that you want to pick up and try. Okay, all right guys, that is it for my favorite butters and creams. If I have discount codes, I will link them down below, along with the products that I've shown you. So if you're interested in any one of them, make sure you go down to the description box and click the link. Also guys, if you have some favorites that I didn't mention, drop those in the comment section so people can learn from you. And guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.